Hello, now we are standing here. The M1V crash barrier. Crash barrier having two reinforcement. This one and this one. This one is 16 mm. This one is 16 mm. So it's effectively working for crash barrier. So you can see what happened now. How much wind is this? Yes. Now we tie up with this. Even after before pouring, we provide the binder. It's 12 mm reinforcement. And first of all, here this reinforcement going to up to 800 mm and 10 12. Now this one also going to 800 900. Now we keep the reinforcement this and this. This will enter into the wall. This one it's good for, and this one also. This one. Oh, it's totally different. Yes, it's like raspberry.